web
Krishna,
layout session. Yes, Shamir, tell me.
recording the session because I haven't the call. The recording, huh?
Ah, no problem. Recording. You know a little bit about the web layout, so once you are free, you can join back. Okay, Jimmy also busy. I'm sharing my screen here. Let me know once you can see my screen. Paul, you can see my screen.
Krishna. Yes, we can see.
Yes, we can. We
Okay.
can. Clear, clear.
So we all have this our Dolphin access here with the browser, web browser, and all, right? I think Mohammed also have access for this one. Mohammed, do you have access for this link or
Yes, yes,
web
we all
URL?
have access. Yes,
We
yes,
you all have
Krishna.
and username and password and all.
Yes, yes.
Fine. So what I will do, I'll start from that web layouts. Here we have a link of our report solution that is different port that we will share you all the details. So with the test environment, this is our live environment. So I'll just show the brief idea here. So once we can browse this page for the report layout as DGC solutions, simply we can click here to open a new layout or existing layout. It's depend how what is the requirement. So regarding the existing report, Paul, how we can open a report layout, how we can get the report layout name?
Go to the administration.
Yeah, because I know you know about this one. That's why
No,
I'm
no, we just
refreshing your
need
knowledge.
something here. Administration, maybe reports. What report definition settings?
Report definition and settings. Okay, so this is related to the existing layout. Like suppose job costing quotation or job costing invoice or purchase order. Like for example, job costing quotation. I want to address. Michelle told to me like add some special hard coded or some text is there or no new field is there. So I'll go here. So here we have two things, special and standard. I'll expand it a bit here. So these are all standard layouts. Actually, standard means whenever we will install our web solution, including that SDCG reports. So we have lots of standard layouts based on that modules. So after that standard, we have special layouts also here. Suppose Shamir requested to me for one client to adjust that quotation layout. So first I will search for that because for the special layout, then I'll search here the which layout they're asking quotation. So here I can see around like 6 special layouts I have. So for example, I'll open one special layout. Here we have description. That is the caption of, or you can say label of this layout. When you will go on the job costing screen, select the job here. When you click on the print button or email button, you can send by email also as a PDF format, or you can open in the preview also. Here we have lots of format here. So for example, I'll address this one after. Okay, this quotation after agency fees. After agency fees, this one SDCG. So first we'll have a look on this one. How is printing? So this is the preview for this layout, and now we'll open in that design mode SDC solution. So I'll copy this physical file name. Click on these 3 lines. Here we have left side 3 lines. Open. Let's put it here. REPX is that extension name of these web layouts. This is our report file in design mode. So here we have different section based on the suppress condition. Like suppose first section is supposed to be print for the Dubai UAE region, and the second section suppose for that Gulf region, like KSA you can say, and third for this one Lebanon. So these are printing based on the suppressed condition here. So I'll give the brief idea. These are the header part of this report header. So suppose this logo and all, we no need to do any hard coded for these labels and all, like these kind of fields and all. It will take automatically from the system. So I'll go back in that admin section here, where we can define that logo, address and all. Company management, admin and company management. And we can select a company. You can see here right side, upload company logo here. So instead of do hard coded this one, we can upload a logo here, upload company logo. That company logo will appear by default on all the standard layouts as well as special. And you can see here this in the report preview, like taxation number, all the fields. All the fields based on the procedure. So let's better we can design a new layout, or I can show you like in the existing layout. How you'll prefer? Khaled, better I can show you the existing layout. What are the fields we use here? Then we can start designing a new layout.
Okay.
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 So here in the report layout, left side we have all the controls. Like you want to add more controls here, labels, checkbox, rich text box, table structure, like lines, barcode or QR code, like chart and all. Here different section you can see, these are the like text field you can see, after that line fields and QR code and barcode. Here we can have like this chart and all. Some special field you can see here, the sub reports, like in the main report you can add some sub report also based on the condition and linking. And here also you can see the sub report here, sub report. How we can add a sub report? Just drag and drop here, just drag and drop here, and you can read. Once you drag and drop any control from the left side, in the right side you can see this gear button. This property will, it will show automatically related to that property. Like suppose I click on this button, property got changed automatically, because sub report doesn't have this kind of report like a text font and all. Because sub report, when you will open that one, so that time it will show that that control property. I'll go back on the main report here again. Okay, so here whatever controls you can see, like sub this label or fields or this data fields and all, you can see the property is getting changed automatically at the right side. Property in the sense you can say this, like we select this one, the label number 53, and you can see all the properties. You just need to play around that one, expand all the fields like styles, appearance. You can see after in the appearance like font size and all, you can control from here. Even the background color, foreground color, the width and all. Like suppose you want to draw one line here, that line, so that line width also you can control by this one. Once you select this line, it will show all the properties of that line only. Even downside you can no need to scroll here and there. You can expand. The some special fields are there that you can define the location. Like suppose I want to like till here only I want this line, and it's not going to adjust, it's going here and there. So better you can define the location here, so it will adjust automatically. Right, Paul?
Yes, yes, yes. Correct.
Okay.
Krishna,
Yeah.
Here we are talking about the report layout or the invoicing layout or the
No,
same,
no, e-invoicing different. We are talking
different.
only about the web layouts, how to design a web layouts and how we can adjust or change in the web layouts. Not about that the KSA phase two. No, nothing, nothing.
No, no, I don't mean that. I mean these layout are for the reports in the web or for the invoice too when we want to print a quotation or invoice or something like that.
And those are all the reports. I'm just showing here. We okay. I'll come again here. Report here you can understand. Like here, I just search for the quotation. You can type for the invoice also. It will show the invoice layouts. These are all layouts related to the either quotation or finance or job costing or purchase order, whatever. But like we have two type of product like Windows based that there we are using crystal reports. The
Yes,
crystal
no, I'm
reports.
talking about the web because there's an
Yeah.
invoice here and there is a report, right? For each module,
Yes.
we have, let's say, a report to check the inventory, to check the sales. It's different
Yes.
than the dynamic invoice that's
Yes. Yes.
regarding.
Yes.
So, but
You are
from
right.
here, this
Hmm.
design structure is for invoice or any layout.
Any
Doesn't
layout.
matter.
Any
Any layout.
layout.
Oh,
Any
okay.
layout. So you can see here. I just why I show here because we have lots of layout for the job costing quotation, purchase order, and this invoice. Even you can search by like this finance also. We have statement standard module. We can search. Okay, yeah, that's why statement of accounts. These are standard layouts. Is not specific by this any module. All the modules have layouts. So all the layouts we supposed to adjust from this SDC report solutions only. Okay. Now suppose for example here they did hard coded. I don't want to do the hard coded. So what I will do, I'll drop a picture box for example like the logo I want to print from the system only, not from the hard coded. So here once I drop this picture box, I'll come on. Okay, first I'll introduce these four buttons on the right side. This is the like, gear button. Properties of the control. Whatever control you will select, it will show all the properties. Like suppose I have this field. I'll copy paste here again. Okay, and now I want to do align with this both field I want to align. So which field you want to align, select that one and select another one. Now we can see different properties got changed. Once I select this button, now all these properties are not enabled here. Once I select both, it's showing related to those properties. Like you can do the same control width, height, here left and right align. So no need to, what I mean to say here, no need to do control scroll and like that here it will not adjust automatically, it will not adjust fully. So better you can select like this. Sometimes Paul are facing this issue. Paul is saying how we can adjust them. This kind of things we can do from here. Now I'll come on that again, that control box here, this picture box. Then second thing here, we can apply some condition based on the function. Like when, like suppose I have multiple company. So multiple company in the sense multiple company can have multiple logos also, company logo. So this logo we can define based on the suppress condition. Like if company number one, this logo should print. Company number two, this logo should print. And company number three, this logo should print. So that these kind of things we can control based on the function. Those function we can define here. We'll come on this later how we can define the print before and after. And this third button, cylinder button, related to the database. Database in the sense like this report based on which procedure and how many parameter, what kind of parameter we have. So mostly we will get all this store procedure ready-made from our team. No need to define, no need to rewrite or no need to adjust because we have like standard procedures for all. If any special requirement come like project manager Khalid or Shamir, they will request to our team and they will find, okay, yeah, this is feasible. They will do and we will get the latest updates. Right, Khalid? That's how we are doing.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So here, once you select this button, and now you want to add one field to show that value with this picture box. So you can expand this one. Either you can search or you can scroll. Both option we have. So first we need to understand like what is the field name. Like suppose I want to add this picture box here, link that picture box, company logo with the picture box. But I need to understand what is the field name of this one. That we will come on the next session. That Ali is preparing one document like field structure and parameters and all. I'll give you just brief idea here. Like. Anyway, we can understand like company logo means something related to the logo or company image. So we can search like CMP or logo or something. Ali, what is the field name? That one picture. Ali,
Try image.
yes, that's good. VD image, but I think this is not. Let me check that one. Mohammed, is it okay? Are you getting or? Hi, Mohammed.
Hi.
VD logo. Is it okay? You are getting what we are talking?
محمد ماشي الحال عم تاخد فكرة عن شو عم يحكي كريشنا؟
وش تسوون انتم بالضبط؟ ما فهمت الان.
هيدا اللاي
Khalid.
اوت على الويب. Yes, Krishna. I'm just explaining to him because he
Yes,
told
sir,
me
that's
that
why I'm saying if something he is not getting from my side, you
later
can
on, later
explain.
on.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can
okay,
explain
okay,
him.
okay.
So that field name is VD logo here. So right now I'm not able to see here, but field is available there. Let me check another layout
انتم
here.
انتم تستخرجون بيانات.
لا محمد هلا بعدين انا بفسر لك عن شو هيدا بيحكي. هيدا كيف تعمل ديزاين للاي اوت. اوكي كيف تعمل ديزاين للاي اوت على الويب دولفين.
Let me open that layout where we have. I can show you that field and all. Invoice we have here reporting. Let me open this repair ticket. I think this have. One more thing here, you can open multiple layouts. Okay, expand this one and we can search quickly. Logo field is there. Yes, VD logo field is there. So suppose now here already that image field, and you can see once you select or any control here, you can see the function button will enable automatically. Like suppose here also, I'll click on that, and now we can see which field is linked here. So we can see here, this is the procedure name and this is the VD logo is the field name. So once you upload your company logo here, so the system will take from, once you linked with the VD logo, it will take from that here, that will be company image and logo. I think Ali, we have footer also, same like logo. Company footer, Ali.
Footer.
I think we
No, company
no
footer, no.
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 Okay. In that case, what we can do, like client, if suppose some client have two logo, one logo here and another logo right side also. In that case, what you can do, you can select that. You can drop one more image, and you can do select that image from the here, like image source and all. instead of link with that data source, like this image, one image linked with this VD logo field that we uploaded in the company in the system, but client wants one more logo. So yeah, definitely we have from Shamir we got this requirement. One client, they want two logo, they have sister company also, so they want both logo on that layout. So in that case what we can do, one logo we can upload in the system, and second logo you can just copy and paste here, and that you can define from here in the system. You can browse that image, and you can align with that, like here select this one and you can align that one, right Khalid? This kind of requirement is coming with you. Khulud also asking sometimes, so this is the option we can do that one.
Okay, great.
Same like here, you can see the barcode also. Here, I'm just showing the linking, how we are doing the linking. Like in the front end, you can see the barcode, but the from back end, how we are getting the data. Like here, the barcode, the job is the job code, whatever job code, like you have job code in the number. This is your job code. But in the front end, you can see the job code on the screen, but in the client, when they will scan, how they will scan, the system will produce that data in the barcode. So that is the field JBO code. It can be JBO code or whatever field they are asking, like invoice number also it can be, or we can do customize also, like they are asking job code plus date also we are asking. So system will regenerate that along with the job code and the date format, and it will show in that barcode format. Am I right, Ali? We can concatenate these like multiple fields, and we can system can show in the job barcode.
One small
Yes.
point, Krishna.
Yeah.
Don't do plus when doing concatenating. It may sometimes giving wrong result. Okay.
We can use the function also.
Concat function is.
Yes. 1 second, I'll show you here. Thank you, Ashin. Here, one good facility is here. Once you will type something to use any function, it will show the it will appear with the format. So you can concatenate here two field and another field like date. System will show that date, job date, I think. Or any field date is not there. Should be there, or I'll use the date here. So what I meant to say, like two field we can concatenate,
Not
and it
just
will
two. You not two. You can add more by adding
by the comma separator.
comma separator. You can add as much as you want.
Okay, great. Then I'll come to this report title here. So here we just add a frame here. Either you can add a frame or you can add a label and link with that field, and then you can define. Once I select this one, it will show the barcode related property on the right side. Like suppose here you can define the symbology of the barcode. You can define that style also, alignment also, and even you can define the border also. Yeah, same like reports, how we can define the border, like this barcode you want to define in the box, so you can define here box.
Yeah, Krishna.
Yes, yeah,
Sorry, one small question.
yeah.
Regarding the barcode, is it built in or you can add like additional
Sorry.
barcode? For the barcode
Uh,
font, is it built in the system or we can add like
It's a
third party
It's a
barcode?
control. It's a control.
The
Code.
barcode font.
Yeah,
here
the
here
font,
it's
the font
a
selection.
control.
It's a control. Control. You can use the control. It's easy compared to Crystal report. It's very easy actually.
See here,
You
right
can
left
use
side,
yeah.
this
Because
control, right
it's there. This
Yes.
code 128. Can you click
here
on the
already
selection?
That you
already
can
there.
choose from here which one you want from the symbology. And code 128, 139, whatever you want.
I think Paul is asking regarding the installation. No need to install the barcode font here.
Nothing we need to install
It's
code.
here.
Just,
It's here.
yeah,
It's
it's
here
here.
already.
Built
See
in. Built
the
in.
EAN one built in.
And the QR
Okay.
code as well. You can you can choose it whether you want it as a barcode or as a QR code or whatever. It's easy compared to Crystal report. Nothing much you
Okay.
can do
Okay.
here.
Okay.
See here QR code also there. So for the
Okay.
crystal
Very good.
report, what we are doing, we're supposed to install the font and copy it on the server
Yes.
and
Yes.
all.
Yes.
Here, no need to do that. Drop the control and you can choose the symbology over here.
Okay. Okay.
Even more options are there. I saw last time. What was that? I forgot.
Mostly
Here we need.
playing with the symbology. Mostly playing with the symbology. If you expand that symbology, you can find a lot of things. Like you
One
can play
second.
much.
Here.
See, like the characters set, whatever, and module, auto module. These are the things I play with personally, Paul, most of the time.
Paul, you if to want more on that, we need to play around that. Like
Yeah,
here,
no
lots of
problem. I
properties are
just ask
there.
now. Go ahead. Go ahead. I just ask. Because
Uh,
always barcode is headache.
yeah, with the crystal report is headache. Like we
It's
need to
all you
install
know.
that copy.
It's all you know, Paul. It's like sometimes your shooting will hit on the target. Sometimes it will miss. The same here as well.
Because Yashin, why
Yeah.
he's asking, he's the expert in the barcode and this
Yeah.
one with the crystal report.
What's up?
Most
What's
of the
up?
Basam,
What's up,
not only
Alex?
Basam, I always ask you.
I never answered.
so here the good thing, Paul, no need to install anything. Once you
Yeah.
drop that control with barcode, you can choose the font, even barcode or QR code, both are available here with the same control. Okay. Now I'll come again on the report title here. So once you drop that one, you can link that report title with the field that is exists in the or store procedure. Then you can define the properties of this control, like how you want to back color, font color, forecolor, font, left align, right align. These are the most probably same properties we have for the most of the controls. Basically what we need to focus here, like where we are consuming more time to design a report, adjustment, alignment and all. So here good thing we found, like once we drop this, like this field. Now suppose here we have how many fields are you have here, so no need to drop one by one. Once you define property for this date, one control, then you can just copy paste and link with the different fields. No need to drop one by one. Like same crystal
Okay.
report, we have right click and find. I will not
Okay.
discuss about anything.
One more thing I like to add there.
Yeah, please.
Select the section.
Okay.
Go to the font and the styles. So whatever
uh,
you are choosing here, suppose
it will
whatever you
apply.
are apply, I mean by default when you are adding a control in here.
This is new for me.
Right?
Normally what how I was doing, I will define this property font and everything. I'll define for this one, then I'll make a copy
Yeah,
paste.
suppose you want this one, you can try it. Select that title and change the back color for something else. It will then you back color or fore color or something like you can see check it.
uh,
But by default, whatever you are changing here, that will
mhm,
be default one.
mhm. Now suppose I'll change the font of this one. Okay, font size only, then I'll add a
Just
control.
yeah.
Okay.
Then instead of Times New Romans, choose something else, Tahoma or something like that. Then only you will know whether it is.
Okay, the home and size is 20. Now if I'll add any
Add
control,
a
that property
yeah,
will
add
apply.
one. This one. Add one text box. Text box. Yeah,
Okay.
like that.
Yes,
You
yes,
will know
yes, yes, yes. Got it.
like that. Okay.
Yeah, this is new for me. Yes, that's good feature. Because
Can you
mostly if I
change? Can you change the font of all controls inside the group
After
no,
that, you
no.
together?
Paul.
First you need to
It's like
define.
it's like a default. For example, you have 10 controls, 9 controls. You want one way, another control, another way. So you in this section you can choose whatever format you want. The one you want to different, you can change it by
One
separate.
second. What I will do, I'll add here new section. Then we will define this property for this section. Okay, Paul. It will be
Yes,
easy to
yes.
understand. Now here the home or I'll do is 10. Okay, 20. Now
Change
whatever
color
control
also.
color
Change
also.
for color also.
Okay. Okay. Now whatever
Yeah.
control you will add, that property, the section property will apply for all the
See,
controls.
even the for
Oh,
color
wow. Good,
change.
good, good.
See?
Very good, very good, very good.
So
So
normally
So,
how we
suppose
are doing, Paul?
the third one you want to change one of the label you want to change that you can change it particularly. I mean
individually,
Okay.
okay.
separately. Yeah.
Nice.
All how we can spare time here, like suppose this five label we need to add here, so either we can do like this one, first we apply the property, now just drag and drop, now we want different property, so again now we can change, right?
That should
Uh,
be that particular label only. If you change here fully for the section, the
huh?
entire this will get affected. So
No, no,
suppose
here
you
my question,
yeah, yeah.
here my question.
Suppose you
uh,
added one checkbox now. Select that
mhm.
checkbox and change the four color. Only that will change. Second
Okay.
one from down the label 20. Yeah, that one change the four color. That only will change.
Okay,
Okay.
this is clear for me. This is clear
Yeah.
for me. Now we applied this property
Now,
for this
whatever
section.
changes you apply in this section, it automatically will apply all these controls. If you want, you can check it. Change the four color to red or something. Then check it
Hmm.
on the section. No, select that one and change it to the four color to red. All the controls four color will change it to red.
This is clear for me.
See.
Now,
Yeah.
now this property is okay. Now I want to change the property. Okay, now we cannot change the section property.
A section property, you should keep it as whatever you want default, and
Yes.
individual properties you change it.
Yes, 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 yes. Fine, clear. Khaled, it's a good picture. It will come to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this is regarding that font size, alignment, and all. Now we can come on the details section little bit. So here we same like we can define the labels. That is a caption of that control. And now this section for that label and another section that the detail section. These values will get from the fields and all. So that either you can drag and drop or you can. There are two things we can do two way. Aishin, correct me if I'm wrong. Either you can drag and drop here, or you can do one thing if you want to keep the same field, just copy and paste here, and then you can define that field name here. Is it correct? Both way we can define.
Yes.
There's no difference, right? So either you can drag and drop, but or you
Yeah.
can copy paste that one. So why I will prefer to copy paste because we can keep the same font and size and all. Okay, this is regarding this detail section. Then we can come upon this footer section and all. Some client they are asking like we need the company footer along with the some address, some image or something.
Yes, yes, yes.
Either they can provide a fixed resolution and size with the image, right? So that directly image we can upload here. Or
Yes.
if any text like that, you can see here some client they are asking we need the company URL here. So we can drop a text box here, come here. So we'll do the alignment. That's mostly client they're asking like it will supposed to be aligned with the central line. You can see here central line, left line, and now these property are done. Then you can define your text box here. Either you can do from here or you can just double click on that www.dolphinsolutions.com, and you can define the font size and all, 15 bold and all. So this moving left and right, you can just select and you can use the up, down arrow, left and right arrow key for the adjustment. Yashin, because Yashin here, Mohammed is there from KSA team. Hello, Yashin, can you hear me? Yashin, are you there? Yashin, Yashin, can you hear me? He's in mute. I don't know why he's not listening. Okay, Ali.
Yes, Krishna.
Okay, Ali, seems Mohammed is here and he is new to this web layouts and all. So if we will go more in the detail like grouping and all in the first session, so he will miss everything. So better we
Yeah.
can go by step, like slowly he can understand like small changes he can start with that reports. Otherwise he will lost. What you will
Yes,
prefer? Because
it's
Paul
more
knows about this,
advanced
Khalid
than
also
group.
knows about this one, Shamir also knows about this one.
I know the basics, very basic.
Yeah, yeah. Or if you want, like I can show the grouping and all, but it will be more for them. So I'll prefer like for the grouping, for the sub reports and all that in the next section we will
Next
do.
session, yeah, yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Yes, it
So
will
now
be better, Krishna. It will be
better.
better.
So now what we will do here, Khalid, for your understanding, we will design a new layout. So you can start preparation on that, like small, simple, very simple layout. No need to do the existing. Just once you'll open the report solution, just click on the and click on the new web layouts. So it will give you the three section top margin that you can call as a header and bottom margin you can call it a footer and detail section. After that, out of these are the default section. Out of this section, you can see here the controls. You can add more section like insert report header, the band also, sub band also, group header also. We will talk about this later for the group header, how we can add, how we can link with the group header field and all. Insert the the detail section. So we'll do very simple layout here. Suppose this is my company header. I want to put some image here. Very simple how they are asking. This is my company logo. And here I have my company details, like company name. So how we talk about that one, we will define the same property here, then we can copy paste or we can define the full section property here. Okay. So header should be little bit more like 12. Now I'll do the alignment, how right alignment. Once this is done, then I'll assign one field, like which field is to do. So before assign the field, I'll make a link with I'll add the data source to add the procedure here, standard procedure. So suppose I'll get a standard procedure from here. I'll use the quotation standard. Okay, I can take this repair ticket only. Okay. So we'll use the existing procedure here. I'll- So this is our new layout. So first we'll make add a data source. Okay, we'll add here. Add data source. So here right side you can see you can either you can link with the table or if you have any views you can define a view or you have procedure whatever. This depend how you are preparing how you are designing the layout based on which procedure or which view and all. So here we will use that procedure here. RPT repair tickets. I think Paul knows about this one.
No, I don't know about this.
Okay, no problem. So here, RPT repair ticket, that is our procedure. Just select that one and scroll a little bit down and click on the finish. So now for your new layout, new report, that procedure, that SQL procedure
Sorry,
has been
Krishna.
added
Sorry,
here. Yes, yes,
Krishna.
yes.
Krishna. So, sorry, before that, how do we create a connection?
Yes, that I'm showing here. Okay. So once you click on that new, so your report layout opened here. I'll open again. Close. No need to save. Now you want to design a new layout from the scratch. So just click
Yeah,
on
yeah,
these three
there's
lines,
connection
left
already.
side, new. So your new layout open here. Connection, again click on that. You can see the here, open, design in report wizard, add data source, localization, save as and exit.
Ah,
So here add data source. Once
because
you click on
I
add
see
data
this
source,
this choose
system will
date. Is
Yeah.
default con ADM test to default con 2? How do we define it?
That Ali can give more detail. Ali,
Yes, Chris.
Paul is
The-
asking once you
This
click
data
on this one
connection.
or Yashin.
This is based on the
This one
web config
just
file. No?
connection
Yeah,
to
it's from
the
the web
database.
config file.
Yeah, Yashin.
It's from the web config file. No?
How
That
many
one.
connection we have?
Yeah. Whatever
Okay.
connections you give, it is
Mm-hmm.
the name also. It is from the web
Got it.
config
Got
file.
it.
In the
Paul,
config.
Paul, for the web solution, we have web API, we have web Dolphin, we have SDC solution. So that service in the web config file, how many connections we defined. So for this SDCG, we have 4 connection like ADM test. Also, we have demo SCC. So whatever connection you defined in app config, those connection you can see here.
Okay,
And out
clear.
of those, you can use one.
Yes,
And
yes.
once you select
Which
that one, it will.
connection related to a database?
Yes,
If
correct.
if you open the web config, you will see all these 3 connections.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear. Okay. Thank you.
So now after that, once your views or procedure all uploaded here, okay, you can select that your appropriate procedure. A repair ticket will use that repair ticket. RPT is that where is the SPWE RPT repair ticket? Repair ticket. I think this is the one correct repair ticket. Fine. So once you select that one, just click on the finish button. That store procedure added here. Now you need to understand the parameter also. So how many parameters are that also you need to add here. Yashin, here my doubt, Yashin, like for Khaled, he knows the procedure name, but he don't know about the how many parameters are there. So how we can see those parameter, how we can define like parameter name and all.
Click that, edit.
Edit, okay.
Yeah. Next, click next.
Next click.
Here you will get
Okay,
all the parameters.
okay. But they need to create those parameter in that procedure.
Yeah,
So
that
here,
this parameter you can create even after you add the I mean the
first we can
procedure.
finish this process, then we can do that one.
That also can be done.
Okay, fine. I'll come again the same point. Once your procedure added here, we need to do the set location with that store procedure and between the report layout. So how we can do this? Just edit that one.
Then now
It will,
you add the parameter, Krishna. Then do
okay,
this.
that's why I was asking.
Yeah.
Okay, so here
Two
let me
of them
see.
are the company sequence and the JBA code. Better to
Okay.
give the same name if
Yeah. That's
like
why I took a screenshot of this one. So we'll give the same name here. Cancel. I'll come on this point. Okay, parameter here. Paul, once you when you want to add the parameter here, you can see either edit or plus. So click on the plus button. It will system will show that parameter list here. What kind of parameter? What is the type of that one? Visible and size. So I'll give the same exactly name FK CMP sec. Give the same name here also. And CMP sec, that is the integer number 16.
no,
Right?
32.
And here visible and enable. Yashin, if you'll make it visible, yes.
I
Every time it
usually
will
don't
ask to
change any of this. That is not here. That is another place.
Okay, fine. Then just click OK.
Value. What is the value for company sequence 1? Correct. You
Yes.
can give a value for the first thing. Okay. One more.
Yes, one more is there. Job code. Let's say one only.
Type you didn't change.
How do you know the type of the parameter, Yashin, or
The procedure you will know, right? Check the procedure.
Okay.
What
See here, you can see. Khaled.
See.
Okay. Just click edit that store procedure and system will load. Click on the next and expand that one. You can see the property of this one. This is FK CMP sequence number. job code also number. So same type we define for the parameter. Now here we create two parameter as per the procedure. Now we need to do the set location. So parameter created. Now we link those parameter with the procedure parameter. Here no need to do change anything. System will take automatically. Now here this is the important part. So here instead of this one, sorry, expressions means it will take whatever system pass the value. So instead of number, we will select the expressions, remove this default value, remove this default value, and click on three dots. You can see these three dots, Paul.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
click on that, and here you can see the parameter list. Just double click on that. It will add that parameter with this procedure parameter. Now we have one more parameter. Let's call one more. Here job code also. Same way we'll apply the expression and remove the default value from here and click on the three dots. Expand these parameters and link with the job code and finish. Now system will load. So procedure have two parameter. We create two parameter here and link those both parameter with the procedure parameter. Now you can start design your reports layout. Once you expand this procedure name, you can see all whatever available data fields are here. Either you can scroll or you can search by here like name. That you need to like understand like we want to add the company name, but you don't know the exact field of the company name. So either you can type the name and then you can search by that. Company name. So as I said here, I will add the logo, company logo here. So I'll add the image button here. Then I want to add the company name here. So we'll just design a simple layout here. Company name can have the alternate name that is in Arabic. So you can search by that alternate name. Okay. For this procedure, we don't have. Normally, we have all the procedure like company name in English and Arabic. So we'll do that simply. I'll add that image here, not from the database, from that source here. So once you click on the image, it will show the properties of that. Then you can select one company image like Dolphin. I have an image. Okay, I'll add this one. Company name it will take from the system. We can do the alignment like left or right. I will do the right. Then I need the address also, company address. So again you can switch it between that. These are the property. Gear button it will show the property. This will show the function as we discussed, and this cylinder button will show the data source field and all. So here you can search by company address or something. Company address is there. Just drag and drop. Or you can do one thing here. First you can define the properties of this field like font and everything. Okay. Font size 50 by okay, and then you can do the copy paste. Like just click on that button. Well, same like crystal report. You can select Control C, select that section where you want to copy and paste. Now you don't need to do the alignment and all. Just select both, and
Yes,
you
yes.
can do like that. Then you can define the field here, like address you want to define. So instead of company, see how we can reach this field. Click select this one and click function. Here it's showing which field is linked with this parameter, this field. So company name already there. I want to add that address. So company address and click OK. So here how we can save the time, like no need to set again the font and all. You can just copy paste and define the field name, company address. Detail section. For the detail section like name and all, description, I'll put that description, yes. Like first field will define a serial number. That is in the name or caption you can define here. Remove this one and you can define the serial number. Then you can copy and paste again like description. Either you can scroll or you can do the alignment like this, both way. And again, one more copy paste amount. And then you have here field that you can drag and drop. Yashin, here one doubt. For the serial number, the system defined field,
Mm.
how we can take the system defined field for the serial number?
There is no system defined. You have to use a summary.
Summary only, not like crystal report.
No, for example, add a label there. Add a label
Okay.
there,
Okay.
and add a job number, job code,
Okay.
job code.
Okay.
Okay. Now go, just a job code only. Now
Mm-hmm.
go to here, summary.
Uh,
Search for summary. Click that lens
okay.
button. La, on the wheel. Go to wheel.
Okay.
Property.
Okay.
Search for summary. Go down. Expand that summary. Expand the summary.
Yeah.
Up.
This
Up.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Expand
Yeah.
that one. Running. Click that one. Running.
Okay.
Report. Okay. Now go to that one. Formula. I think there is something called a record number. Some function is there now.
Here or
Now you will get. Yeah. Click that F button. Yeah. Click
okay.
that F button. Now here you just type record number. Remove that job code and I remember something like record
Yes,
number
this came here. Record number.
and give the
Job
job
field.
job code or something like job code is job number is job code,
Job
yeah.
code.
Yeah. Why it's come? Is it a parameter or what? That job code.
No. Yeah,
It's a
both are
parameter.
there. Yeah.
Lala,
We'll use the
don't use
field.
parameter. Use the field actually.
Yeah, I use the field here.
No,
Either
you
you
did
can go
not.
from here.
No,
Okay.
you haven't used because there will be curly brackets. Square
Okay. Okay.
brackets
Okay.
will be there up and down inside
Okay.
job
Here,
code.
job code is there.
Add the job code there. That is for parameter.
Yes.
That's
I,
that's
okay.
parameter actually.
I click here field
Yeah.
and we can search by the job code, right?
Just to type a job there.
Okay.
Job or job. Job code is there. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
That one. Click that. This field. Okay. Go,
But
close
why?
this one. Close this one.
Mm-hmm.
Close this one. Go to select a report from here in the drop down from there. The properties select a report from there. Did you change the report? This one
One
data
second.
member. Report data member. Did you change?
No.
Change it to go down. Okay, correct only,
This
correct
is
only.
report.
Don't change anything. Yes, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now data member is correct. Yeah, data source is correct. So
Correct.
it should become
Okay.
okay. Now just a preview and check it how it is coming. Take off
So
this thing. Is there value?
no.
Job order one has value. Check use a
Uh,
parameter which has value.
Let me check the correct job code here. I'll put some job code here or job description title.
That is parameter only.
Job description. I'll use the job description here.
No, there is no record for job one and job company one, job one.
Okay.
This it's not returning any value. You have to check some procedure with the value, and only you can check it.
Okay.
Property repair ticket. No repair ticket. What sequence you have?
I need to check that one. Reports service center.
And which company is this one? One or two one. You connected to
Repair
ADM or
tickets.
which one?
ADM.
Repair ticket is not, is there?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
We can use this sequence.
Okay.
When I'll do the preview, company one, job code, this one.
Okay.
Yeah, we got that company address and all.
Yeah. Yeah. But there is no value for it.
Mm, repair or ticket. Which field we?
Maybe ticket.
Let me take the field is there or not, value is there or not. Yeah, it came here one.
1K.
Yes. Let me do the alignment so we can easily understand. Let me make a preview for this one. Yeah, we got that value here.
But why the other things are not coming?
The serial number should be appear here.
If the serial number give instead of this one, give the
Still
JBA.
job code is there.
Yeah, record number.
Record number and here job code.
Not job code. You can give that field, which is now showing.
That is 1 second.
JBA ticket flag.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to summary. Just I want to check summary. Expand that summary from here.
Okay.
Click down under report group or what it is. Okay, try now what it is showing. Check what it is showing now.
Yes, 1 second. Yes, serial number showing here. Maybe the description is not available.
I may have to check it in October.
Let me give some good, nice image here so we can see that image here. Otherwise, Paul will shout on me. What is this image you are showing us?
No. Oh, put
Okay,
any
this
image,
is
no
nice.
problem. This is nice. If Anbu is here, he will share a good image.
Web, no. Okay. For this procedure, sorry, we don't have any footer and anything. Otherwise, we can show that the company website and company email and all. Mail, I think we have here. No, we don't have. Okay, I'll just show you how we can add that footer part here. Okay, we can. Okay, let me define the properties of this one. No need to make a bold and middle alignment. So here, right side, left side, we will show this one web address with the right align. I'll copy one more here and we'll define the address also. Email address. Right align. And here we will define. Because why I copied, I don't want to change the font and all, so I can use the same here. And Krishna, okay, Dolphin Solutions, Dolphin Solution .com.lb. Let's see how is. No, forgot that. 11067. Paul, you can see here,
Yes,
not a
yes.
nice report, but we need to do some like cosmetic changes here, like line and everything. Then it will be looks good. Now I'll define one line here. That line also we can copy and paste for the footer. We can use there. Let's make a preview. Okay, Khalid. You need to play around that simple layouts. You can use that any like either quotation procedure or invoice procedure or like purchase order LPO. Those standard procedure you can use and you start designing that layouts by own. You can define that like a company logo, header, and for whatever fields is available, whatever fields are
Yes,
available here,
let's
you can
know.
use that one.
Yes,
Then only
Christian.
you will
Let's
get the good
first for
practice.
us. Let's
Yeah,
start with adding text, logo.
simple
Then
things
we
you
will
can.
make some progress in procedure and data from SQL and so on. So
Yes,
first, let's
exactly.
get familiar with the controls, adding text, adding image, some
Yes,
header, some
yes.
footer. Then we'll
Because
go
some
deeply through database and procedure and so on.
okay, sometimes Khalid maybe like you will not able to search the properties of that one. As Yashin said, select that control. So instead of scroll here and there, directly you can select and you can search by the like I want to see the size controls. So it's difficult to go down and it found. So you can search by the size. So it will show here
Yes,
size.
it's nice. The search for
It's
the
nice.
setting is
Search
very
option is very
nice.
nice.
Yes,
So it will show related to that one. So like height, you want to make a same height for all. Select the multiple
yes,
control. You can go there and you can define the
yes,
size. Okay, size or
yes. It will
height or
gain us
whatever.
times.
Yeah,
It will gain us times.
like that. Okay. So this is a like basic idea how we can design a special or your own layouts. Very simple
Yeah, sure.
layouts.
You
Later
will
we can
send us the link, right? You will send us the link to
Yeah,
test it.
definitely. With the test database, I'll share that link
Okay.
where you can open the SDCG report solution and you can start designing that one. Okay, one more thing,
Great.
important thing here. Once you're done with your layout, you need to save that layout. So always save as and remove the extension. Sorry, when you will save as, remove the why I am doing this one. Save as, click on here, report like or test report. Report. Okay, save this one. Next section, we will learn how we can like whatever report you design, how we can add in the system. Like you can see here, it's printing. Well, multiple reports you have here. The job code here. You have multiple. These are the all special layout how we can add in the system, and there are some security also we can apply. Like suppose multiple company, you create a special layout, but you don't want to show in the another company. Only one company, company number one should be show there. For another company, you have separate layout. That means it means show it means not interfere like one company can show the another company's layout. So those kind of security also we can apply in the layout.
Oh, great, great.
Okay, like we have most lots of client with the multiple companies, so they are asking like this layout you created it should not show in the another layout because each company have separate logo and like address and everything.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so this part will cover in the next session. And this is the thing like basic idea I gave you. And to know more, Paul, you need to play around this one here. There are lots of properties for the reports and all. As very nice
Yes,
layouts are
yes.
there. We can design. Maybe in the initial stage it's difficult to like it can be difficult like it's very difficult like here lots of session here need to go it's eating my eyes and everything but once you comfortable start designing comfortable it's very easy very easy I
Yeah,
really experienced that yeah Yashin started, Yashin was comfortable, then I started. I asked so many things Yashin. Yashin said, start by yourself, play around that one. If you'll ask me like this control, where is that? If I will tell you, but it's not like increase your knowledge and all. Do by yourself. You will learn more on that. Now I really feel that it's very comfortable, very nice layout we can design.
Yes, and it's
Yeah.
totally on the cloud, right, Krishna? No need
Yes,
to
yes,
install
yes.
anything.
Once nothing, nothing. Once you
Fonts
saved
or
here, it's saved for you.
coding or something, all in the
Nothing,
cloud. Okay, okay.
nothing
Great,
manual. All are cloud based. Like anywhere you can
great,
Nice,
great,
nice.
access, web based.
great,
Professional,
great.
professional.
By learning only from Yashin also.
Yeah, very good, very good. Now I'm
Still,
encouraged to study. Yeah,
yeah,
because
still
I
some.
know Crystal, and sometimes when I started this one, I feel like it's difficult. But now seeing you, yeah, I think I will learn
Paul
this also.
is more comfortable than the crystal report that I can say.
Because that I know that, but this one I think there are nice features which is not available in Crystal.
Yes, and easy to design. Design also. Once you will start it, you will really feel that it's very easy to design the layouts and all.
Yes, yes,
Like
yes, yes.
in some sections, Krishna report is more comfortable. Like for example, so you have a paragraph, and in between some of the text you want to make it bold. You cannot do it here,
uh,
but Krishna report you can do.
you can do, yes, yes.
Like that, some features
But
are
Yashin,
there.
most of the features are new here that we can use here. Some few features that we can manage, like different text box we can add based on that font and all.
That's how I did earlier, but it's unless you are not patient, it may not work properly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
it's not complicated, but time consuming and patience.
Actually, Yashin, here properties are huge for any single control property. Lots of properties are available. Just we need to play around that. We need to know which
Yeah.
property for what purpose.
Yes, 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 yes.
Nothing to do manually. All whatever you want for the layouts purpose, everything is available here.
In my
Yes.
case, Paul, when I was doing first, I always go for there is a forum for this
Mm.
DevX web reports. I go there and I ask questions, or I check them. Somebody might have already asked these questions. That's how I got uh, feel about this one. Most of the cases I learned from that way. And,
Okay.
and there are good help file also, and example are there with the example reports are there. You can
Uh,
the works web, no, they have example reports are there. You can see how they designed it, and that way it depends on our requirements. You can go and check it. Ninety
Yashin, that
percent,
also.
yeah,
Yeah, sorry. That also we can share with them, na, so they can read and play around that.
yeah, they can that.
Also, Krishna, maybe you
Yeah.
can include in the session also. Well, let's make one example for the one with QR code.
Means you want to
And
display the.
not now, no, maybe in the next session.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's say
definitely.
this is a new company
Sure,
that
sure,
sets
sure.
the phase two
Paul
on
is
they
not
want to.
ready to leave this one barcode. You see, Paul and barcode have a what is a very
Great
close
relationship.
relationship. Close
Yeah,
relationship. He don't want to leave it.
because Yashin, why from Paul's side, most of the clients they are asking regarding that one. So he don't
QR
want
code, yeah, yeah,
to.
phase two,
Yeah,
yeah,
he don't
phase
want to
two.
miss any feature regarding related the
I
barcode
want
and
to
QR
change
code.
Paul's name to barcode.
Yashin, can you share that link here so we can share with them so they
You
can
do one thing.
read the guide?
Just search DevX web report. You will get immediately
Yes, and
DevX
please, Krishna, if you can send
DevX
us the link for this recorded session with download permission.
Yeah, sure, sure,
DevX
Okay,
web
definitely,
so
definitely.
DevX web
you need
report.
to share it from your OneDrive.
Yeah,
Sorry, sorry. Yeah,
this is
sure,
the
sure.
site. This is the site actually. DevX web
Okay.
report. Here you see
Is
this is
it
an example of master this one report.
okay?
Take that one. You see that the
Okay.
report designer is there, viewer is there. Like this, you can go
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
go up, Krishna. Go up, Krishna. No,
Yeah.
go up. See that report designer. Click that report designer on your
Where left side?
right side. You see, yeah, that. See,
Yes, yes. I click on that.
this is the report. Go down. See, this
Yeah,
is
it came here.
see this is the design mode. You can see how they designed it, and
Mm.
this is how it's you can learn more.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
Paul,
Nice.
really, I also read this guide, and most of the features I found from here. Even still, I didn't found. I got help immediately. Help from the Asian always.
Yeah, Dolphin
There
Solutions.
is
Okay.
forum. You can put. Maybe some guys might have already asked, or you can ask.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Mm-hmm. And I'll share in this group chat.
Nice, nice. I'm excited to learn.
Yeah, it's a very nice guide.
Yeah, yeah.
See, Khaled, everything, whatever we discuss, all features are we learn from here only from the guide.
Yes, yes.
Which guide? The Dev
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Express?
Dev Express.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Regarding the Mohammed, Khaled, you can explain if any doubt. We can sit together by small call. If he still you want to, he want to more learn more. Like here, I got stuck. I don't know. I'm not able to do this one, so we can help him.
Yeah, we can help
Yes,
it. Yeah,
sure,
yeah.
sure. Just
Khaled, from
Okay.
please
where are
share
you?
with
Where are you
us
based? Khaled,
what?
sorry. You're here
Yes,
in
Paul.
Saudi, or
Yes, yes, in Riyadh with Bassam
why?
and Shamil.
Why?
You are in Dammam, right?
No, Jeddah, Jeddah.
Jeddah, yes, yes, yes. I don't like the environment there. Lot of humidity.
Yeah, yeah, yes.